This is gonna blow your mind. Fix your Nissan Titan's AC in just a few steps. So, your Nissan Titan's air conditioner isn't working. Bummer, right? But don't worry. We've got you covered. First, check your AC settings. Make sure it's on the coldest setting and the fan is turned up. Sometimes it's the simple things. Next, pop the hood and look at the AC fuse. If it's blown, replace it. Easy fix. Still no luck? Check the refrigerant level. Low refrigerant can stop your AC from working. You can get a refill kit at any auto store. Just follow the instructions on the can. If your Titan's still not cooling, it might be the compressor. This is a bigger job and might need a mechanic. But hey, you tried all the easy fixes first. Remember, regular maintenance can prevent AC problems. Keep your Titan cool and enjoy the ride. So, there you have it. Fixing your Nissan Titan's AC doesn't have to be hard. Stay cool out there.